Hey gang, just wanted to do a real quick video as I'm driving of our grand opening event at a particular community, Saddlebrook Farms. We did a 200 unit expansion and we're doing a grand opening Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I thought, whether it's a grand opening or an open house, I thought this community offered a great example of the expectation of signage and flags, specifically directional signage and backup flags to pull people off the main road, down the side road, and then eventually into the community entrance, through the community back to the model center. Whether you're doing a grand opening or whether you're doing just a typical open house, this is a great example. So this video might be a couple minutes. It's going to be really just me narrating and you looking out the windshield of my car and kind of seeing firsthand what I'm seeing. So I hope it comes up on the camera, but we'll give it a shot here. All right, so here we go. We're on, I just pulled off the main road and we're on Peterson Road, which is a very secondary road, and then we're going to go on even a smaller road, and then we'll find our way to the entrance. So here we go. All right, so first thing that I see is I see some blue flags that say welcome. I see an open house A-frame. It's not too bad. I mean, all this is kind of bonus for us. This is a great idea. They took a cart and they attached a bunch of flags to it. I like that. There's not a whole lot we're really actually allowed to do, as often is the case, on these corners that we don't own and control. So I think that's all bootleg and it's up as long as we can keep it up. I don't think we're going to get into trouble. But clearly we see as we approach the entrance of Saddlebrook, we've got the 14-foot feather flags, which all of us can order online through the website, through the hometown website. And we've got, again, the A-frame, open house, open house. We've got the grand opening banner there, which is great. That's a bonus. You may not have that on an open house, but clearly we've got a dual message, open house and grand opening, because quite frankly, the retail customer we just want to convey, hey, there's action. Follow the signs. So not even 250 feet in, we've got a custom sign there that says grand opening. Another couple hundred feet down, we've got another sign. Really good. So far as a driver here, I'm very confident that I'm headed in the right direction. Some helium balloons, lakefront sites, all good messaging. In this operation, we have a resale office and a new home center. That's a little confusing. I can't shut them down totally today, just not ethical, but here we've got our signs plastered everywhere with balloons that are really pulling people in and pulling people to the model center. Another one, I mean, like every 200 feet here, there is a directional sign that's very clear that says, hey, you are going the right way. Because this model center is way back in this community. There's another one. There's another one. At every intersection, we've got signage letting people know they're going in the right direction. You cannot have enough directional signage for any event. I mean, whether it's just a run-of-the-mill Sunday open house or if it's a grand opening event, you gotta have signage. A lot of it, because people get lost in these communities. This community is over 1,000 homes. It's a lot of roads. Balloons, signage. There's another one. All right, and so finally we have arrived. You can see here lots of flags. Another A-frame that clearly says you've arrived at the model center. Another Lakeview Sites sign. We've got flags, and we are here. It's clearly evident that we are here. There's our crack team of chauffeurs, and this is the model center. And of course, you can see here all the model home flags. So you can see this a mile away, as you witnessed in this video. All right, gang, so signage, cannot be understated. Signage and flags, overly communicating, directional to the place you want to bring them, the model center. Hey, gang, have a great weekend. Talk soon.